Chapter 13. Grunge and Slacker, The Big Lebowski, Reality Bites, and Anti-Fashion. The style in one look. Grunge and slacker style is anti-fashion with perfect screen readability, plaid flannels, stretched cardigans, thermal tops, faded jeans, thrift store dresses, oversized sweaters, army surplus jackets, bowling shirts, battered sneakers, work boots, knit caps, corduroy, robes, and washed-out tees. The silhouette is loose, layered, and deliberately unheroic. Shirts hang open. Sweaters slump. Jeans look worn from life, not design. The palette is tobacco, army green, oatmeal, rust, faded black, dirty white, washed denim, burgundy, gray, and tired plaid. Anchor Films. Singles, 1992, gives grunge its lived-in ecosystem: Seattle apartments, clubs, coffee, denim jackets, leather jackets, flannels, boots, short floral dresses, and knit layers. Reality Bites, 1994, turns the look into post-college shorthand. Lelena Pierce's floral dresses, cropped cardigans, tights, boots, and thrifted layers carry ambition without polish. Troy Dyer's rumpled shirts, tees, jeans, and jackets make refusal look ideological. Clerks, 1994, strips slacker dressing down to workplace dead air. Dante Hicks's plain shirt and trousers uniform and Randall Graves overshirt, t-shirt, jeans, and cap turn underemployment into silhouette. The Big Lebowski, 1998, perfects the code. Jeffrey the Dude Lebowski's robe, loose tees, plaid shorts, drawstring pants, jelly sandals, sunglasses, and brown patterned cardigan make surrender iconic. Why it works on screen. This style tells us who has opted out, stalled out, or simply stopped performing ambition. It makes bodies slouch, shuffle, lounge, and resist urgency. Its power is precision disguised as accident. Too clean, it loses truth; too exaggerated, it becomes parody. At its best, grunge and slacker clothing makes ordinary life cinematic without making it glamorous. Wear it now. Build around one loose layer: a washed flannel, slouchy cardigan, faded denim jacket, army surplus jacket, or robe coat, over a plain tee, thermal, slip dress, or worn knit. Add straight jeans, corduroys, tights, work boots, beat-up sneakers, or simple sandals. Keep it lived in, not costumed.